Hello students, a very good morning to you all. I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Myself, Mrs. Hina Kiran Shinde, class teacher of Standard 1st from Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School, Lonavla, welcome you all once again in our digital classes. Today, we are going to study our 4th chapter of EVS subject. But before that, let us revise what we have studied in previous chapter. So, students, we have learned about our sense organs. Students, can you tell how many sense organs do we have? Yes, very good. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And we have also studied the uses of our sense organs like seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and touching. As we know, we are in a very difficult situation because of Corona. At this present situation, our prime objective of every individual is to stay healthy, and to be healthy we should follow good habits. We should use sanitizers. So students, tell me one thing, do you all get up early in the morning? Yes, good. Now tell me, when you get up in the morning, first what you will do? Do you take your breakfast? No. Then what you will do first? Yes, first of all you will brush your teeth. Now today we are going to study our 4th chapter, that is healthy and happy. Children, if you want to be healthy and fit, what will you do? We should take good care of our body. We should always be clean and healthy. Children, can you tell what this picture shows? Yes, this is a picture of a boy who is getting up early in the morning. Now children, can you tell what you can see in this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a boy who is sleeping. So children, from these two pictures we can see that in order to stay healthy and fit, we should have a proper sleep. We should always wake up early in the morning and we should go to bed early at night. This will help us to be healthy. And we all know that a healthy person is a happy person. Early to bed and early to rise keeps man healthy and wealthy. Now children, in this picture we can see a girl doing exercises. Children, do you all have learned exercises in school? Yes, we should exercise every day regularly and on proper basis. Regular exercise keeps our body fit. Children, can you tell what this picture shows? Yes, they are going for a morning walk. A daily morning walk makes you fit and healthy. In order to stay healthy, we need to do exercises regularly every day. Now children, can you tell what this boy is doing? Yes, a boy is brushing his teeth. Children, we know that majority of germs enters our body through mouth. So, we must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed. Children, do you know how we should brush our teeth? The best way to brush our teeth is up and down and not across. We need to brush our teeth by up and down movements. Children, do you all take a bath daily? Yes, very good. We must take a bath every day. We must wash our hands with hand wash after going to the toilet. And children, nowadays, because of corona, we need to wash our hands after coming from outside. Children, what you will do if your nails have grown long? Do you eat your food like that only? No. If your nails are grown big, all germs which are there in your nails will enter into your stomach and your stomach starts paining. So children, we need to trim our nails and keep them clean. We should not bite our nails. We must always wear clean clothes. We need to comb our hair properly after taking a bath. Now children, let us learn about good food habits. Children, having good food habits is very important for a healthy lifestyle. Children, do you all wash your hands before eating? Yes, very good. We must wash our hands before and after eating. We must eat our meals at proper time. We must eat 3 times in a day. That is, we must take breakfast in morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. Children, if you want to be healthy, we must eat clean and fresh food. For good digestion, we must properly chew our food while eating. You should always drink clean and filtered water. Children, the most important thing is the food which we are eating must be covered properly. These are the healthy and happy habits which we must follow. So students, today we have learned about healthy habits like wake up early in the morning and go to bed early at night. Brushing, exercising, taking a bath, taking meals on time, drinking filtered water, and eat the food which is covered properly, etc. So students, subscribe our class channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.